Imagine being out with your baby and having everything you need in one place. No searching, no stress, no where am I supposed to change them moments. This 3-in-1 diaper bag with changing station is the ultimate parent hack. It's a spacious diaper backpack, a waterproof travel organizer, and a fully foldable changing station all in one. Unzip the back and it instantly transforms into a clean, safe changing station, perfect for parks, restaurants, road trips, or anywhere without a changing table. With tons of pockets, insulated bottle holders, and adorable waterproof design, this bag keeps you organized and ready for anything. It's the one diaper bag that truly does it all. When you're out with your baby, every second counts and every pocket in your diaper bag needs to actually work for you. That's why one of my favorite features with this 3-in-1 diaper backpack is the front section with the 3 insulated bottle pockets. These aren't just decorative pockets, they're fully insulated, which means they help keep your baby bottles warm or cool for longer while you're on the go. If you're formula feeding, you know how stressful it can be when you're out running errands and the bottle cools down too fast. These insulated pockets help maintain temperature so you're not scrambling to reheat anything. And if you're storing breast milk, keeping it cool is just as important. The insulation gives you that extra peace of mind. Each pocket fits standard bottles, wide bottles, even sippy cups as your baby grows. Everything stays upright, organized, and easy to grab with one hand. Now, right next to those insulated pockets is a feature that seems small but makes a huge difference: the built-in key loop pocket. If you've ever dug through a diaper bag trying to find your keys, while holding a baby, a stroller, and a half-open snack pouch, you already know why this matters. The key loop keeps your keys clipped, secure, and in the exact same spot every single time. No more shaking the bag, no more searching, no more stress when you're trying to get everyone in the car. You'll love that the bag combines the big features like the foldable changing station with these thoughtful little details that make everyday parenting so much easier. The insulated pockets keeps your bottles ready when your baby needs them, and the key loop keeps you ready when it's time to move. It's all about staying organized, staying prepared, and making outings with your baby feel a whole lot smoother. So that's it. This is the perfect diaper bag. With the easy built-in changing station, you simply unzip it, pull it open, and you instantly have a clean, safe space for diaper changes anywhere you go. And when you're done, it folds right back into the bag without adding bulk. Plus, with all the small storage inside, from the insulated bottle pockets to the key loop and everyday essentials compartments, you stay organized no matter how busy the day gets. This diaper bag keeps everything you need right where you need it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.